Lyle, Lyle, Crocodile. Lyle Walks the Dogs. Written by Bernard Weber. Illustrated by Paulus Weber.
Lyle the crocodile has a job, a brand new job. Lyle's job is walking dogs. It is a very good job for Lyle because Lyle loves dogs. And he loves to walk. And best of all, Lyle loves being helpful to others. Lyle is so happy. Today is day 1, the first day of his job. Day 1. Lyle walks one dog. The dog's name is Gwendolyn. Uh-oh, Gwendolyn is frisky. She pulls this way and she pulls that way. Lyle must take quick skipping steps to keep up with Gwendolyn. No problem. Lyle loves skipping. Day 2. Lyle walks 2 dogs. Count them. 1, 2. The second dog's name is Morris. Oh, and guess what? Morris is even friskier. Lyle must take even quicker steps to keep up with Morris. No more skipping. Too bad. Day 3. Lyle walks 3 dogs. Count them. 1, 2, 3. The third dog's name is Pokey. Pokey takes his own good sweet time walking. Slow down, Morris. Slow down, Gwendolyn. Come along, Pokey. Good going, Pokey. Good work, Lyle. Day 4. Lyle walks 4 dogs. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth dog's name is... Oh no! Her name is Frisky. Hang on to Frisky, Lyle. Day 5. Lyle walks 5 dogs. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth dog's name is Rosie. Rosie loves birds, bugs, flowers, children, and Lyle. Most certainly, Lyle. Day 6. Business is picking up. Lyle walks 6 dogs. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth dog's name is Snappy. Snappy is, well, rather snappish. He barks and barks. And barking, as you know, can be quite contagious, especially for dogs. 6 dogs barking. What a racket! What to do? Leave it to Lyle. His gentle tugs, pats, and shushes calm everyone, even snappish Snappy. Day 7. Lyle's excellent reputation for walking dogs has spread. Lyle walks 7 dogs. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7th dog's name is Tulip. Tulip had to be coaxed out from under the couch. Everyone waited and waited for her. But now look at Tulip. Just look at her trotting along, merrily wagging her tail with the best of them. Day 8. Lyle walks 8 dogs. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 8th dog's name is Scrappy. Scrappy runs, stops, or sits as he chooses to run, stop, or sit. There's trouble on East 88th Street. Grrr, grrr. Whoop. Snarl, snarl. Arf. Not to worry. Lyle is on the job. His kind heart and big croc smile win the day. Scrappy falls quickly in step, and all step cheerfully together. Big cheers for Lyle. Day 9. Lyle walks 9 dogs. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 9th dog's name is Rufus. Rufus is so happy to be walking with Lyle. He scratched at his window for days, yearning to join the walk. And Lyle is tickled to have Rufus aboard. Day 10. Lyle walks 10 dogs. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 10th dog's name is Sniffy. Sniffy walks nose to the ground, sniffing, sniffing, sniffing. Suddenly, Sniffy is on to something. What? A squirrel! The dogs run. The squirrel runs. Lyle runs too. Are all of the dogs here? Let's count them and see. 1. Gwendolyn. 2. Morris. 3. Pokey. 4. Frisky. 5. Rosie. 6. Snappy. 7. Tulip. 8. Scrappy. 9. Rufus. 10. Sniffy. They are all here, safe, well, and thirsty. Good dogs. And good job, Lyle.